If you consider that you are not carrying out the sufficient habits that your well-being requires, or to have positive repercussions on your health, there are several solutions at your fingertips that can help you feel comfortable on a daily basis. These are some applications that will make it easier for you to meet your healthy goals. Its function, as its name says, is to help you to be happier, following the principles of meditation, to be motivated and inspired with a positive mentality. The app offers inspiring phrases, helps you to meditate and share good moments with other users of the application. If you want to quit smoking, Quit Now is a very good application. It shows you how many days you have not smoked. It also calculates the money that is being saved. It also has a system of achievements and a health check which allows you to see how blood circulation or physical capacity improves. An advanced exercise platform is like having a personal trainer which adapts to your goals, resources and physical abilities. Create flexible exercise routines at your level and experience. This is an online therapy. With the support of psychologists, you can access professional help and confidentially. A personal therapist is assigned and will have a room open 24 hours a day, a private and personalized space to deal with different areas of psychology. It is a food diary and calorie counter. You can analyze everything you eat, allowing your body to be nourished and balanced. Help you lose weight with diet plans to match your exercise or work routines. Facilitates contact with doctors and specialists. It has more than 150 professionals divided into about 35 specializations so that each user can make medical consultations through the application.